This is how we do this. This is how we do this. In one way I'm yours. In one way you're strangers. But I know for sure we got something in common.
This Valentine's, I've decided to embrace my weird side. What? That's not like you, Charlotte. I hear you all cry. You normally do such normal pretty looks for Valentine's, like hearts being torn out and blinded cupids and such like. But yes, this year, like I said, Butte, I'm going to embrace my weird side fully and do a set of lip art looks. And this is my first one, which is called Talk Dirty to Me. I decided to take that quite literally and have a mouth full of dirt and maggots. So I don't think I really need to explain this one to you. I'm just going to let you enjoy it. And if you wish to recreate it, please hashtag PrettyScaryArtMe on Instagram because I'd love to see it. And have a lovely Valentine's Day, everybody. And I will leave you to this beautiful tutorial.
Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. This is how we do this. In one way I'm yours. In one way you're strangers. But I know for sure we got something in common that I know you want. But we're so different. I speak Swedish, you don't. I sit right down and write a letter, but Frankie said it better.
I almost fainted when you smiled.
I'll take my time, I want you better shine. Here's my cup, fill it right up. I'll never stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop.
So there we have it. I would say I hope you enjoyed it, but I don't think enjoy is the right word for a tutorial with dirt and maggots. But I hope you liked it, Buttes. I hope you have a lovely Valentine's Day, whatever you're doing. Don't forget to hit that like button if you want to send some Valentine's love my way, and subscribe if you really want to give me a big Valentine's hug. And I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye.